How to filter keyword comment on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to filter keyword comments on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it and go to your profile. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is click on the second option, which is privacy, and scroll down. You have those options on safety. Click on comments and you're gonna find comment filters and you're gonna find filter keywords. To like recent comments with specific keywords on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. You can click and turn on or off this option. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.